Good morning, guys. It is a new day. As you can tell, the background is a little bit different. So basically yesterday was the day we did the whole entire move. I physically could not film. Like, there was so much to do that like picking up the camera was not even a concern of mine. We have a ton of unpacking that we have to do. Also, sorry if you see the holes in my crew neck. I had stains on them and I tried to be like artsy and like cut holes in it. So now it looks worse than it did with the stain. We're gonna use my necklace to try and cover it up. Anyways, I'm just gonna start unpacking. Our friends are coming over later, so I have a lot to do before they get here. Also, we have a lot of furniture still that we're gonna get rid of. This black TV stand and then also our bedside tables. We're gonna be getting rid of those. I think we're gonna give them to my mom. I really want those mirrored bedside tables. I saw one for pretty inexpensive at Home Goods, but they only had one. I wanna get like a little holder in the shower for all of our soap, so we're gonna have to go do that. Look at how messy everything is right now. Like, we have so much to do. Everything over here is a mess too. The kitchen, everything is just a mess. But we kind of got the balcony situated. Anyways, I'm gonna stop talking. I'm gonna figure out what needs to be done and then we're gonna start unpacking. Good morning, guys. It is a new day. Today, ooh, getting a nice breeze. Feeling like Beyonce. We started putting things away and like putting rooms together. So I'm gonna show you the guest bedroom right now. We set up the bed and everything in there. We just have to organize the rest of the house basically and like finish our dining room table and like our living room area and everything. Yeah, the couch. We got the boys some new toys. Look at him with his new toy. And then we got them this bone. They love these bones so much. We go through a lot of them though because they end up chewing them to the point of like no return. Yeah, literally no return. We also went to Home Goods and I picked up this like shower caddy. What is this called? Is it a shower caddy? Sure. I don't know what this is called. I got that so we can put all our soaps in it and stuff and make it look neat and organized, which I'm excited about. Oh, we have to go to Home Depot, babe, to hang the TVs. We're gonna have to go to Home Depot too to hang some TVs. Bentley is chilling on the couch. Please look at him. He loves the couch. He's gonna sunbathe. The guest bathroom is basically done. We just have to get a shower curtain for it, but it's empty and looks good. And then here's the guest bedroom. This one's still kind of a mess, but like we set up the guest bed, we set up the desk area. We just have to like go through everything still. Like, I have to empty this whole entire thing still. And the closet is a mess. I'm not even gonna show you that. So we still have to like organize all of this, but we set it all up. We just got back from Walmart. We got a couple of snacks. I got some Brookside chocolates because these are just so good. And then we also got some of these like commando strips because we're gonna hang our keys by the front door, but we don't want it to like
in the house. Probably don't fly in. Don't want to fly in. Take my chances in.
Oh my gosh. He's Roddy Rich's biggest fan. Anyways, we got these to hang our keys by the front door. And then we also got some anchors because we have to hang up our TVs tonight because tonight is The Bachelor. So I cannot miss a single episode of The Bachelor. We don't have cable though, so I'm gonna have to like find a streaming service that I can watch it off of.
I'm sure there is one.
Yeah, so I'm gonna figure it out. Hopefully I find one because I need to watch The Bachelor tonight. Like, I cannot miss it. I'm kind of addicted. It's really bad. Zach is prepping the chicken for dinner right now. We're going to hang this up by the door so we can hang our keys.
Nice.
Bentley keeps taking all of Aston's toys. I'm sorry, Aston. I'm sorry your brother's bullying you. It's okay, pretty kid. Got the TV up. We're set up Hulu, so I like hurt my hand.
I'm bleeding.
And he's bleeding. Other than the couple injuries, we made it. But we still have like all these boxes to go through, and I have all of this to organize and like find a spot for that. Oh, we also put the TV up in our bedroom as well. Is it working? Heck yes! Below Deck, our favorite show. We're gonna make our dinner, then we're gonna set up a couple more things. I think we're also gonna hang pictures today. My aunt got us a little gift. It's like a wax burner. It smells really freaking good. She got us the cherry blossom scent. I normally don't really like cherry blossom, but this smells so good. We're gonna start cooking, so let's make some dinner. I'm starving. I'm just using this rice pilaf. It's the roasted chicken and garlic. So that is cooking right now. And I'm also going to make a salad that Zach and I literally make every single night. It's so freaking good. Inspiration from the salad came from my grandma in Germany and also my mom because they both make this salad and it's like my favorite. The dressing is so freaking good. So all you need is a tomato and 2 cucumbers. That's all it is. But the sauce is what makes it so good. I'm not too sure where to buy the sauce. I don't know if it's sold in the States, but my grandma just sends it to us from Germany, so I'm kind of spoiled in that sense. Yeah, it's just cucumbers and tomatoes, so I'm gonna show you guys how I make that. This is like the most important part of the salad. These ones are my favorite to eat. Sorry about my nails, they look really bad. This is like my favorite flavor, but we also have some other ones. I think tonight we're gonna have the paprika because Zach and I do really like this one. But it already smells so good. Okay, and then I just kind of eyeball it. I just put as much oil as I want. I kind of like our dressing to be a little bit thicker, so I don't really put that much olive oil inside of it. I'm just going to mix that. Okay, and that's it. Now I gotta taste test it though, just to make sure it's good. So let's. So freaking good. Okay, don't tell Zach, but I just eat the whole entire salad before he comes back. Why is she here? It's on! Are you excited? He hates the show, but I love it.
The next day.
Today the cable guy comes. We finally get cable, which I'm so excited about. Now we're eating breakfast. Zach made himself some toast.
Because she said
oh, our house is finished. I forgot to show them. Our house is finished. He's mad at me because I took too long to make him breakfast.
But she made herself some, not me.
I made myself some. It looks really gross right now, but it's just granola, yogurt, and raspberries. It's really, really good. So this is the granola that we use. I love this granola so much. And then the yogurt I use is just Chobani, the Greek yogurt, but it's the vanilla flavor. I don't know if I'm weird, but I hate when my yogurt has like chunks in it, like chunks of fruit. I like the Chobani Greek yogurt because it's just like smooth and blended. It tastes really good. Yeah, I'm just gonna finish eating my breakfast and then I'm gonna give you guys a mini tour of the apartment because we basically finished. All right, so we're back home now. Sorry, I look like an absolute mess. We got some dinner. I think we're gonna make like Chipotle bowls at home. And we also got some chocolate chip cookies because we love sweets. We can't help it. We both got our toes done. Just got like a light pink color. Zach got his toes done too. He had an ingrown toenail though, so they took that shit out.
Yeah, they took it out like big time.
Was it? It was painful. He was like in so much pain. But I'm gonna give you a quick overview of the apartment. So, okay. They're fighting over their toy right now. So we finished the living room. The living room is all done now. It looks like this. The sun is setting, so sorry if the lighting is all bad, but we also fixed our dining room table. This way, it just like looks a lot more spacious. That's how we ended up setting up the dining room table. We're gonna be moving our bikes into storage though, so the bikes will not be there for long. We hung up some artwork on the wall, which is always fun. We decorated that area a little bit. This is our kitchen. Our kitchen is pretty much done as well. We just need to go to IKEA and get another one of those chairs. Then we have a little mirror so you can check your outfit, make sure you look good before you leave, you know. We hung up a picture right here so when you first walk in you see that picture, and also our keys are right there. And then washer and dryer over here. And this side of the house is still an absolute disaster, so I'm not gonna show too much, but this is just like the guest bedroom area. But yeah, that's basically it for the apartment. We're gonna finish organizing. I cannot take my hair serious. I don't know why it looks like that, sorry. We're gonna finish organizing the guest bedroom probably tonight just to get it done. That way the whole place is finished. So that way we have nothing else to unpack. I think we're just gonna cook some dinner and then go in the hot tub and relax. So I'm gonna end the vlog here. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did enjoy this video, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. Also, if you're new to my channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button down below to join our fam bam. And I will see you guys in my next YouTube video. Peace out, Girl Scouts. Mwah. Bye.